Thanks to UBT Business, you can bank anytime, anywhere, and on any device. Click on Business Banking, then the Payments tile. Select the corresponding transaction type within the New Payment drop-down menu. Select the corresponding SEC code. Please note, CCD payments are used for business-to-business transactions and PPD are used for personal payments. Select the corresponding subsidiary in the From or Deposit To drop-down menu. Select the corresponding offset account from the drop-down menu for this transaction. Enter the effective date of the transaction by clicking on the calendar icon and selecting a date. To set up a recurring payment, click the Set Schedule option. Select how often the transaction should repeat. Designate when the transaction should stop. Either select the on or before date, enter the number of desired occurrences, or select forever. Click Set Recurring Transaction to finish the recurrence setup process. If the recipient already exists, select the corresponding recipient from the drop-down menu, and then enter the desired transaction amount. To add more than one recipient, click the Add Multiple Recipients link and select the desired recipients. Click Add when done. If the recipient has not yet been set up, select the new recipient link within the drop-down menu. Reference the recipient management video if additional details are needed on this step. Review the details on the screen for accuracy and select Approve if authorized. Otherwise, click Draft. This will then require another user to click Approve to officially authorize the transaction.